Hey everybody, it's Eyal Lee Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're going to be offering you some great tips and tricks how to make your next Orlando vacation awesome. What are we talking about today? We're talking about Disney World payment plans. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified whenever we have these cool videos up for you. Okay? Let's get to it. So, you're wanting to know more about Disney vacation payment plans. Well, you've come to the right place. Honestly. You've come to the rightest place ever. Here at Orlando Vacation, we pride ourselves on allowing our guests to pay Disney vacation installments for their vacation. Yeah, I know, pretty crazy. All right, join us and we'll go over everything you need to know about our Disney World payment plans. Here at Orlando Vacation, we strive to provide quality and affordable vacations. In fact, we help over 30,000 families annually plan the best and most affordable vacation tailored specifically for them. So, how do you sign up for our payment plans? Well, that's easy. When booking either your lodging or a customized vacation package through Orlando Vacation, you'll have the option to make payments towards your vacation automatically. It's included. I know. Give yourself a minute. Sit down. It's awesome. So what's the difference between lodging and a package? I'm glad you asked. Well, lodging is anything that has to do with where you're staying. For lodging, we have hotels or vacation home rentals. As for a package is your lodging plus tickets. At the time of booking, we only require a $50 deposit, regardless if it's for lodging or a package. After that point, our guests can give us a call at any time to put a payment towards their vacation. The only thing our guests need to do is pay their final balance either 15 or 30 days prior to arrival, depending on the kind of lodging they booked, that is. That's it. It's that simple. If your lodging was booked with a hotel, final payment is due 15 days prior to arrival. If your lodging was booked with a vacation home rental, final payment is due 30 days prior to arrival. Now, if you're booking within that 15 or 30-day window, you will need to pay the full amount for the lodging, so keep that in mind. And it's a fact that we offer the most catered payment plan ever. Literally. Whenever you want to make a payment and for however much, we got you. But if that isn't enough to convince you to go on that Disney vacation you've been dreaming of, maybe our discounts might do the trick. When booking a package through us here at Orlando Vacation, not only do our guests have the option to do completely customizable payments, but they can also save up to 35% more on their vacation. For that Walt Disney World vacation, we are partnered with several different hotels and resorts in the area. And if you'd rather stay in a vacation home, we got that too. A lot of our partnered hotels by Disney offer complimentary shuttles to the parks, and some even offer free breakfast. As for vacation homes, all of our homes are located within 15 minutes to Disney World, so you never have to miss a beat. Go check out our other videos on the top hotels and vacation home resorts near Disney World to see which one you and your family will love the most. We've linked them in the description below. Now, our payment plan for packages and lodging is great, but I do want to let you know that if you're planning on purchasing Disney tickets with lodging, be sure to pay off the tickets first. Disney does require reservations to be made in order to get into the park, on top of purchasing the actual park ticket. In order to make reservations, you do need to have your Disney tickets ahead of time. So, once you finish paying off your Disney tickets, we'll send you all the information you need in order to make those reservations. So, we definitely recommend getting those paid off first, because if you're going to Disney, the tickets are pretty important, I think. I don't know, just my opinion. All right, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation, or you need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in Orlando. Bye-bye, everybody.